In this video, I would like to show you how to upgrade the 12.1-inch Mitsubishi screen from 2 CCFL to our UB54 series LED kit. This LED kit comes with the newer driver, which is MS610 version 3, the newest one, and then one small 6-pin pigtail connector connect here. So let's set aside, take a look at the screen here. It's made by Mitsubishi. Okay, the screen is AA121SL03, 12.1-inch display. Okay, to remove the lamp to upgrade to CCFL, LED strip, LED is very simple. You see this click here? You're gonna push down and grab the wire and push out. See that? Push it down. I use a flathead, easy for you to see. See that? See that? Push it down. Okay, got it. Take it out. Set that aside. You take this one. The lamp was black, so very black. So just take it out just like this. We're gonna mount it back to the same location. Because if you do it like this, that's the bottom one's flat, so it's perfect. It's flat. Okay, let's remove one end at a time. Take out this end first. Let me see. Okay. Yeah. Well, we don't really care even though we break it, so because we're gonna upgrade the LED anyway. We took out the lamp, set it aside. The screen. Okay, there's a special coating you can see or not. You can scratch off or just leave it like as is. So just mount it like this. Let me see. Yeah, that's about right here. Okay, peel it off. Let me see this side. Yep. All right. Then you're going to push it down. Push down 1 second at a time until you stick to the metal enclosures. See? Perfect. Okay, we just have to slide it back. Done deal. Well, you can use any tip to secure the wires. Small wire, the pin out. Actually, you see it's already here. So the red is for the positive, black is for ground, white is for ADJ, usually no connection. The yellow is for enable. Okay. Thank you for watching.